Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with a Wednesday morning video. Today I just want to really talk about a broad topic. I did not do any buying yesterday. However, one stock was on my mind. I'll get to that at the end of the video. So today I just want to title this video is basically a bull trap. So we had a very extended long weekend. Historically, when the markets close an extra day, there's a lot of traders and stuff like that get out of the stock market because it's obviously a longer period of time, more things can happen over the weekend, so just basically more uncertainty. However, opening yesterday, the market was crazy green, rallied the whole day. It actually was strongest in the beginning of the day and kind of bled off towards the end of the day, but still finished way up green from from Friday's close. So overall, great day in the market yesterday. However, we just have to keep in mind that there's still so much uncertainty. CPI, readings are at all-time highs and stuff like that. So we just got to keep all that in mind. We can't jump the gun. We've seen a rally like this after the first Fed meeting when they raised rates back in May or April, whenever that was. The market rallied for, I believe, a week like crazy. Then it kind of just fell, it just fell to its face. So Dow finished up yesterday. It was actually 2.14%. S&P was 2.4, NASDAQ was 2.5. My portfolio finished 2.6, so I outperformed all three indexes. So yeah, bull trap. So basically what I'm getting at here is if you're a long-term investor, which I am, you've got to have patience in this market. So I've been buying aggressively on the whole way down. I continue and will do that as it continues to fall down if it does. If we hit basically the bottom and we start, how this market's going to go is going to go like this. It's going to step down, step down, step down, step down, hit a bottom, and then it's just going to slowly go back like that. That's my opinion. So it's not going to do a V-shaped recovery. It's not going to do that. But nobody knows where the bottom is. So basically what my plan is, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average my favorite positions. If it's green, which it was yesterday, I don't know what the market's going to do today, how it's going to close. But if it's green, I will not be doing any buying. I did make a video yesterday about Voyager Digital, how FTX they did give them a loan, $485 million. It's a 2.5-year loan at 5% interest. So Voyager, off that news, it actually rallied yesterday 20%. So this is like I said in my video yesterday, this is a very small position of mine, but it's just good to see that there's some hope and some faith in Voyager Digital now with that loan. So the stock did rally 20% yesterday, which is great. Elon Musk clarified the 10% layoff thing. That relieved a lot of stress and uncertainty to Tesla shareholders. Tesla is my biggest position. I've held the stock since 2019, and it rallied up 9.5%. That's probably a good reason why my portfolio was up really big today. Coinbase, obviously, it's going to get some sympathy. Just basically the relief that crypto is getting some help in certain things, and Bitcoin and Ethereum held over 20,000 all yesterday and overnight. So it's kind of holding on for dear life. There's a big psychological level at like 19 or 20K. Shouldn't go under that. If it does, we're gonna break trends and stuff like that. So it's just nice to see that my crypto play, Coinbase, is actually doing well too. That was up 12.2%. So what my plan is I'm just gonna kind of stick my course. It's pretty simple. I don't really have much to say today other than the fact that I'm just keeping an eye on the market. A lot can go wrong, but also a lot could go right because we have so much fear baked in. Consumer sentiment's at 50%, which is like an all-time low since when they started tracking that. So people don't have much faith in the economy. They don't have much faith in the market. Hedge funds are going to have to rebalance this month sometime. There's not an actual particular date when they rebalance, but it is sometime this month. So if bonds are like a super high percentage, they're forced to sell the bonds to rebalance in the stock market. So this could be good for stocks because obviously not many people are in the stock market right now, and they're forcing you to rebalance. You're forced to buy things in the stock market, which is good. If you're a long-term investor, you're already in it. So that's something to look forward to for the last couple of weeks of June. Some other things that are also to look forward to. It's going to be a quiet next couple of weeks. We don't really have many. Earnings doesn't kick off till July. Q1 GDP doesn't kick off to the third week of July. So it's going to be kind of a quiet, hopefully next couple of weeks, and maybe we'll get some good news somewhere in there. Maybe oil goes down a little bit, or energy, or maybe the Russia-Ukraine situation levels off a little bit or it cools down. Maybe, you never know. Maybe the Fed, I don't think they're going to do this. Maybe the Fed, lays off the gas or U-turns or something like that. I don't think it's going to happen, but you never know. So So that's kind of my thoughts. I mean, this is kind of just basically just be careful. This might be a bull trap, so I wouldn't go like all in right now. And then if it goes down to 52-week lows again, legs down, there's like a step. You don't want to be caught like that. So just buy your favorite positions. I am right now 8% cash. So luckily I do get paid this week at the end of this week. So that will give me some more ammo if needed to buy some stocks. I don't know what the market's going to do today, Thursday or Friday. I have a weird feeling we're going to finish this week green. I don't know why. I just have a weird feeling because we've had so many consecutive weeks of red. So I just have a really good feeling about that because we have the peak. Even analysts are coming on CNBC and stuff like that, saying that we hit like peak inflation probably. You can't guarantee it until we get a couple more readings out. I think the Fed's going to be, another big topic obviously in July when the Fed meeting is. I hope they do a 0.75% hike again, just to really show that they're serious, even if it might not be necessary. It might bite them in the butt later when it actually kicks in, because it doesn't kick in right away. But that way it gives them a lot more flexibility the back half of the year with all the next meetings. So I hope they do that, but if they do a half point, that's going to be bullish for the market. The market will feel like, oh, the Fed thinks we're past peak inflation if they do that. So kind of a win-win in my eyes as a long-term investor, but yeah, we'll keep at it. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment below. Let me know your thoughts on the market. Let me know if you think this is a bull trap or not. I'm interested to hear your thoughts. Till tomorrow, peace.